playing Jace, and we are going bottom with a Galio, and I still take Doran's blade since I really can't play without it. I'm still not level 20 or 30, so I don't have any runes yet, which make me extremely weak early game if I don't have the Dorans. But sorry for the delay in the videos, but I hadn't been able to make any videos. I have been in Italy, where we are eating pizza and having a good time. Yes. And my accent, Italy accent, sucks big time. Galio, you're the thing. If you want to go in, you're going in. But normally I would not like to see a Galio in Blind Pig. Yes, this is Blind Pig, because, well, we could get up against the only physical team, which would make Galio far less useful than he is right now. We have against a Mordekaiser, mainly magic damage, a Riot, mainly magic damage, and if I don't remember correctly, and if my memory is betraying me, then both Israel and Yorick is also not mainly, but a good deal of magic damage, which makes Galio a very good choice. But we are going. I'm bottom with a Galio. Top we have a Cho'Gath Fie combo, and mid a Nivea. Well, what is my thoughts on Jace? Well, I really like him quite a lot. He's a bit of a special champion. He also has a record of abilities in the game. He have beaten both Lee Sin and Nidalee, so that's quite good, I think. And there, Galio got one. Damn it, he got two. I don't really see how he is last hitting better than me, but he is. And now we have a Yorick. That was stupid. I should not have done that, but I did. Okay, got one last hit, got two last hits. At least I think I'm winning in last hits. Yep, that I am. Taking a bit of damage, mostly from that stupid play from me before. And man, god damn it, that finger is irritating. I can see why people is saying that Yorick never loses his lane. Well, again, not the best for me, and I'm getting a bit of lag. I think it's because of I'm recording this game. Normally I don't have any lag. But they are pushing quite hard, and that is not what I like to see. Away. God damn it. He does not have infinite mana. That's always something. You can't keep using those harass combos all the time. But neither can I. I almost don't have any mana left. Too quick. He has a mana thingy. That's just wonderful. So I'm the only one almost already. But I think I will be stronger soon. Really need. Get away with that thing. Okay, really need my W so I can start getting some mana back. Going to last hit that. No, didn't get it. God damn it, why am I taking so much damage? Okay, take that. Going back. Going B. No, cannot go B when we almost have the creeps at a tower. Irritating. And we have a lever. I'm going to post this game anyway. I have said I'm not going to post it, but it simply seems like every time I'm trying to record a game, there is a lever. So I'm going to post this anyway. Win or lose. Oh, he has reconnected. Thank God. Okay, going to buy the boots, some health regeneration, and just a pot because I hate being not able to fight them. But yeah, back to Jace. Quite the usual champion. He has a bit of a not too strong early game. Still a good early game, but not as strong as some others, like a Kayle, that I have made a video on. She is an extremely strong early game. No, didn't want to go that way. Wanted to go this way. Well, it's all good. Can get this on him if I had not missed. Back with you. Don't tell me he's going to get a... and damn it, minions. Logger, I should have caught him there. But I both missed my initial and... Musket. Almost no mana already again. That's just frustrating. It's making me really mad to see. Oh god damn it, almost had him. Going to auto attack just because of Jace's passive. Well, I haven't really gone Jace's ability through yet. Well, his hammer abilities, his Q is a jump AoE that you can see there. It also slows people. His W is a small lightning field where I'm getting, that gives me a passive where when I auto attack I get mana back, so that's quite nice. Should I try to hit someone? No, I think I'm going to leave it alone for now. Well, Galio can take that. But he did try, because he has that mana regeneration. So that's just wonderful. So we 4-3. That's good, but top lane is winning big time. Take that. But I haven't died yet, and my CS is not very good. It's 30. Should have done better. But hey, this Galio is also trying to take the CS, so I'm fighting against one in CS. That is something that you should not do. And how the hell? Oh, God damn it! I want to dive him. And now a Mordekaiser is coming down. So, where did Evelyn just... And why can't I move? Oh god damn it! Must not get hit. I couldn't really figure out where I was, so... Yeah, that was stupid. Lost orange. Lost control. That will have to do. But we got one, so that's always something. And I'm really digging these mobility tubes on Jace, just because of the time it's taking me to get back to lane. Going to speed Anivia up also. Okay, she had not recovered enough health, so. But well, 1-for-1 trade.